Hello everyone, this video is for you if you want to learn all about head voice. My name is Jorgelina, I am a singer and vocal coach and songwriter, and I specialize in teaching adults how to teach contemporary music from a holistic and integral approach. Today we are going to be talking about head voice. Firstly, we're going to talk about what head voice is. We're going to also be talking about how to discover your head voice, and thirdly, we're going to discover how to make it much easier for you. Stick around until the end because at the end I'm going to show you a resource that you can use to unlock your head voice and expand your range. Firstly, what is head voice? Your voice have different registers. The voice I'm speaking with, it's normally called chest voice, but as I go higher, I can't keep on singing my chest voice or I am going to harm my voice and limit its potential. So as I go higher, I need to slowly transition into more of a head voice. Of course, in contemporary music, there are other registers as well. So one is called mix, and that comes later in the training. It's more of an intermediate step. Then there are, of course, extreme registers like fry and whistles and things like that. But when you are starting singing, chest voice and head voice are the most important things you need to work on. So as I said, a head voice is a voice register. So basically when you are singing in head voice, the predominant muscle that is involved in the pitch production changes. The predominant muscle is a different muscle, and also the primary resonator of your voice also changes. So in head voice there is a change in the muscle configuration and in the resonantial space. Of course, let's talk about how head voice sounds. You probably already know this, but in case that you don't, I am speaking with my chest voice right now, and if I go higher and higher and higher, then that's more of my head voice. Yes. Let's not speak like that. That is also why head voice is something that it doesn't usually come very easy, because we are speaking all the time in chest voice, hopefully, but we are not using so frequently our head voice. So it tends to be a little bit more locked. Secondly, let's talk about how to unlock your head voice. A sound that I find really helpful to sort of find yourself in this resonance is the whoop sound. You're not going whoop, right? It's nice and high, but also light. Woo! This exercise also leads me to the third point, which is how to make a head voice easier. A very important element of training your head voice is the ability to start letting go a little bit of the muscle. So in this case, when I was performing that woo, I wasn't doing this, look. Woo! Woo! So my jaw was locked. If I did, then it wouldn't sound good, but it also wouldn't be easy for me or for my whole system to produce. So if I go woo, just look at my jaw. Woo! There is the jaw is not locked and it is moving. There is an element of letting go of control there that it really helps. Now, if this is you and you find it hard to find your head voice, try these exercises and let me know in the comments how it goes. Training your head voice is crucial for you as a singer if you want to expand your range. Regardless of the genre of music that you need to sing, range expansion is necessary as a singer, and you get to do that by unlocking this higher range. And don't worry, you are not gonna sound like this woo all the time. This is just an exercise that helps you connect your muscles in the right way. Having that ability is not gonna only help you unlock higher notes, but also give you balance in the low notes as well. Now, as I said at the beginning, I do have a resource for you today that is gonna help you unlock your head voice. Now, if you go to the description below, there are my 3 free exercises to unlock your higher range that work wonders. So go ahead, download them. They are free for you to get, and you can practice them. You're gonna get them very soon in your inbox, so download them now. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe because I am all the time releasing singing videos about how to learn singing from a holistic and integral perspective. See you in the next video.